from Betha, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas from Betha, Merry Christmas. Oh, Merry Christmas, Merry. Guys, I'm embarrassed, but I really just wanted to sing to you people so that you will know how much you mean to me. Okay? I'm just saying, Merry Christmas to you and your family. Today is Wednesday, the 25th of December, and I'm super excited. Aside from the fact that I would have to go to church today and pray to God and just thank Him for dying for us and resurrecting, your girl has to pack. Okay, I'm finally traveling tomorrow, being the 26th of December, and as much as I love traveling, I hate packing. Like, oh my god, packing gives me a headache. Packing makes me want to vomit. Okay, I hate it. That's how much I hate it. I don't like anything that has to do with packing a box for a trip, even if it's a one-day trip or 2 days. Not to now talk of a week or 2 weeks. And the truth is, this just took me back to school days, when I'd have to go back home from school and I'll be begging my roommate, Lola, please come help me pack my bag now, come help me pack my bag now, come help me pack my bag now. And after begging her for some time, she would pack my bag for me. And when I finally go home and it's time for me to come back to school, I beg my mom or my sister or even my dad. Sometimes my dad even helps me pack. Is that not shameful? That's a shameful thing. That's a shameful thing. So I had to find a way around it, okay? I had to watch a lot of YouTube videos because my dad cannot be packing my bags for me anymore. The man is not even here to be packing bag. Neither is my mom here to be helping me pack my bag. Okay, and my sister that would have helped me pack this bag traveled even before I bought the box from the co-market. Life. Anyways, we're going to do this whether they're here to help me or not, okay? Over time here, I've learned some tips and tricks on how to pack a box. It's not the best, okay? So don't come for me. It's not the best. Disclaimer, it's not the best, okay? But it works for me. And I'm just going to show you guys all of that because I'm pretty sure there are some people like me, some people that cannot even fold their clothes, let alone putting it in the box and arranging it well. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I pack my things, how I get ready for my journey. And I need to mention to you guys, I finally decided to fly just because when I think about what happened to my sister, it's just a whole lot for me right now. So I will be flying, okay? I know that anything can happen anywhere, but God is our protector. God will protect me, protect you, protect our families, okay? And let me just tell you people, I filmed the part where I was packing my video earlier this morning, like before I took a bath and wore this my top and just arranged my hair. Guys, I was wearing hairnet. So if you know that you are allergic to seeing hairnet, or you are allergic to people not being properly dressed, maybe you should not watch this packing video. Go and watch another video. Okay, but if you know that my hairnet is not going to block your eyes, if you know that my hairnet is not going to give you headache, then you can watch it and see just how I pack my things. Okay, without any further ado, because I'm doing too much, I do too much. Let's just get right into the video. Let's go and pack.
So the first thing I like to start off with will be my travel checklist. Here I write down the list of clothes, toiletries, just things I need to travel with, things I must not forget. Okay. And I also have my electronics where I write down my laptop chargers. I have a section for footwears and just a section for makeup. I know I'm not big on makeup, but your girl likes to travel with foundation at least, okay? And some extra stuff as well. Next up would be my body lotion, my body oil, my bathing soap. And guys, I love the Cousins brand so much. Like, they need to sign me already because I use all their products. I love it so much. I've been using it for 2 years and I've not looked back. I love it. Yes, I'm one of those people who use the hand glove as bathing sponge. I love it so much. I also use the Premier Pure Milk for washing my clothes and underwears. For my toothpaste, Colgate is my go-to. And my hand cream, okay, I just got this. I've not tried it. I hope it comes out really nice. I hope I like it. So yeah, these are things I have to travel with. Next up will be my foundation. I know a lot of you are going to be laughing right now, but I don't care. Okay, I love to go with some foundation, concealer, powder brush, my lip gloss, and my holy grail, my lip balm. So for my foundation, I'll be going with my Maybelline Fit Me. Guys, I have these things. Just because I don't know how to use it doesn't mean I don't have them. Okay, I have my concealer as well, the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm not sure what shade that is in, but I have it. Okay. And I have my Zaron powder. This powder has been my go-to for like the past 1 year now. And of course my lip gloss that I stole from Tomiwa. I didn't steal it, she gave it to me and I love you so much, okay? And then the next stop would be my lip gloss. Oh, sorry guys, my lip balm. I love this lip balm so much. Like, I love it. I love it. I love it. And of course, a powder brush. That wouldn't hurt anybody. Next up would be my perfume section, my body spray, my roll-on and all that good stuff. So for my perfume, I'll be going with my Victoria's Secret, the Love Addict. It's already halfway gone. I love it so much, which is also what I got for my siblings. And for my body spray, I like to use the Lynx one. I use any fragrance that I can find. Okay, and for my roll-on, I love to use the Speed Stick regular because it doesn't stain your clothes and it doesn't smell. And of course, I'll be traveling with some hair gel, so I'll just throw in this Gorilla one in my bag just because I need to lay my invisible edges when I travel. And I have my hair packers as well, the ones I got from Eco Market, and some perfume oil. This smells really cute. I love them so much, so yeah, they will be coming with me. Next up would be my electronics, and the first thing I have here is my laptop. I have to travel with my laptop because I have to edit videos even if there'll be no network for me to post them. Okay, and I have my charger here as well because I need to charge, as well as my sword. Guys, I do not know how stable the light will be, so I have to protect my battery. Next up is my phone charger. Of course, we have to charge up our phones, and I have a fully charged power bank because your girl is not about to be bored on the flight. Okay, and I also have my mini tripod as well. My camera is meant to be here, but I'm filming with it obviously, so it's also coming with me just in case you're wondering. Next up would be the stuff I got for my siblings. They asked me to get them some chocolates, so I actually got a pack and just some wafers chocolate biscuit. I don't know what it is. They specifically gave me a name. Okay, so I had to look for it. These will be coming with me as well because it will make them happy. And finally, I have these Ziploc bags. Guys, look, if you want your box to be organized, you need some Ziploc bags or just some bags. I got these ones from Shein, when I shopped from them the last time. So I just saved the Ziploc bags because I knew that they would come in handy one day. Now let's get straight into packing. I already have my things laid out on my bed, the number of clothes, the number of jeans. So let's just get into the process, okay? Now the first thing that has to go into my bag would be this dress for Ada's wedding. I feel like I need to treat this dress like an egg because I love this dress, okay? And I have the matching gele as well, so I'm just going to place that right on top of the dress. Next up would be my jeans, okay? And for my jeans, I'm just going to place them vertically, okay, because it's easier to tell. Look, if I put it this other way around, it will be very difficult to know what exactly is in my box. Honestly, I love it when I glance at my bag and know where exactly to find my stuff. Okay, so I'm going to arrange all of my stuff vertically. So this is me just trying to lay my things nicely. I'm just going to push that to the side just to create more space because I need all the space I can get. Next up would be my tops, and like I said, I'm going to be placing every single thing vertically just so I can take a look at my bag and know what exactly to take from it, okay, without having to scattergun. Look, the thought of scattering my box and rearranging it is just gives me headaches. So this is the way forward, this is the way out. So I'm just trying to arrange my other stuff, and place them the same way I placed the jeans and the other tops. So yeah, I'm sure by now you have an idea of what I'm talking about. I can just look at my box and tell where my nightwear is, where my jeans are, where my tops are, just it makes life really easy, okay? At this point, I'll just put the perfumes I got for my siblings into the small space I have there, I'm just throwing in some gifts I also got, and I'll put the rest of my clothes on there, just on top of the gifts so that it doesn't spoil the carton and all of that. This is me just trying to fix everything into this box because they are all coming with me, alright? And we are done with this section. This is good to go. Now for this part of my box, I'm just going to lay out every single thing I arranged in Ziploc bags. Here I have my underwear, my waist trainer, my pant liners, my sanitary towel, all that is in one Ziploc bag. Next would be my body cream, my sponge, all that in another Ziploc bag. You guys can see how well this is coming together. It makes your box look really organized. And here I have my perfume, my roll-on, the gel, all that in another Ziploc. You don't have to use a Ziploc bag, guys. You can use any other bag, any other storage bag that you have. I have this one, so I might as well just use it. Next up are my chargers. Although I have an extra cord in my handbag, I just want to put all this here just so that I know where my things are. So I decided to travel with 2 heel shoes, one for Ada's wedding and just a spare shoe. We all know how dirty the soles of our shoes can be, so I like to tie mine in nylon bags just so that it doesn't stain any other thing in my bag. After doing that, I just try and place it neatly in my box, to conserve space and all that. And of course, my hairnet had to feature. Guys, I really like to pack before taking a shower, hence why I'm looking like this. You guys know I can do better. So yeah, okay, ignore. I'll be repeating the same process with my other shoe as well. Next up would be the chocolate, so I have to place that in my bag. Betha obviously can't stay that way. Figure it out, please. Now you're talking. Now you're using your head before you wear a net like grandma. Anyways, I'm just trying to arrange every single thing. Next up would be the wafers biscuit, so I'm just going to throw that in the part of my bag that has zipper, just because I feel like I don't want the biscuit running up and down in my box. Next up would be my sunshades. You guys already know I love sunshades a lot, so I'll be going with 2 extra ones. I already have one in my handbag. Next up would be my foundation and all that stuff that you guys know I will probably not use, okay? Next up would be these comfy slippers I got for my dad. I just felt it was really cute, so I got it in Eco Market. I think I got it for 1,000 naira. So this is me just trying to lock the zipper and the clips as well, so everything stays in place, because I cannot arrange this thing twice. Now let's see how we can zip this all up, and I'm ready to go, okay? Now for my laptop, I'm actually going to put that in my handbag just because I don't want stories that touch. I don't want to cry, okay? So this is going to go with me on the plane as well as my mini tripod. I'm just going to throw that into my bag. Next up would be my wallet. This is where I have most of my coins, so it's definitely going to stay in my handbag. So now that I have all that in my handbag, I'm going to be carrying this on the flight as well as my sunshade, and I'm ready to travel.
I hope my video was helpful to you. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things. If you did, please do not forget to give me a very big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Look, at this point, I shouldn't even be the one telling you people to subscribe. You should know that that's the right thing to do. When I come here and move myself, all you owe me, as just a way of saying thank you, Betha. Thank you. Thank you for making us laugh, is to click on that subscribe button, okay, and give this video a thumbs up, like it. And if you know you did not enjoy this video, you did not learn anything, you can also give it a thumbs down. See, thumbs down, thumbs up, thumbs share there, okay? I'm super excited because I finally get to eat my mom's food. I'm definitely going to bring you guys with me on my journey. I hope you stay tuned for that. Even though there's going to be no network in that village, but I'm sure I'm going to be shooting videos so that when I come back I can post it and you just watch and enjoy your life, okay? Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye guys.